Yes!
It is now or never.
Yes!
There is no sitting on the fence.
Yes!
You are either part of the problem or you are part of the solution.
Yes!
Let every youth, unemployed youth in this country get up and let us fight to save our country. Let us fight to save our economy.
Yes!
Let us fight to save the lives of numerous Ghanaians who cannot work, who cannot cover. But we are here today. We are going to fight. And we will fight and fight. We want to send a message to those who pretend to be peace-loving. If you pretend to be peace-loving and you are condoning wrongdoing, you are actually the one who is brooding conflict in this country. Those who want peace must prepare and fight against the element that will bring disruption in the country. That is why we are ready to fight against the element that will disturb our democracy. So thank you very much, and may God bless our homeland Ghana. We will not retreat and we will not surrender. We are going straight for victory. Victory for our democracy. Victory for not only a political country, but victory for the democracy and freedom of people. Thank you very much.
One bedroom ransom. The American yard is under control of the followers. Now demonstration now more than any people. They should go by the rules and regulations as police. They are not much here. You
like you all said that I can Mambadra Otiami Emugre. Mambadra Otiami Emugre. Not all we are saying is anyone make sure that we need free and fair election in this country. And for that matter, and this year we are also a stakeholder. Then again, I can't she can even have your name. Electoral commissioner is not by herself. No one will call the party. She's there because of us. No one can like one time forensic audit. They register. All this all we are asking. And that can go happen there. And this time I'm a bit 2012. I'm being afraid. What are they hiding now? You know what? I'm a small and feel like a forensic audit there. No one can one NPP register me near wow as Ghanaians. They won't tell in the Cape of Republic, the woman let the Cape of no one maintain there. Let's have equal share of this. What is happening now? All we are saying, we need forensic audit. Electoral commissioner, she's not there by herself. It is the Ghanaian taxpayers that can purely. They want to do again. Money one now, a wow as Ghanaians. One day we don't maintain the Cape of Republic there. No, none of them maintain it. It is by the tongue. Tell me about money. No, they are saying how what they want. We don't want any manipulation. And yet, that's enough is enough. Get the next Kufa to Kapaobi. I'm manipulated 2016. I'm afraid. I can't harm it. 2020, I'm manipulated. 2021, where how do we even say that for this thing to happen again? It will never happen. None will call the page again. Ever or day as Ghanaians. Could not want to offer a better could any of the policy or the political and she didn't lay up. No pay all that's all we are asking for. This is the Kemau Police, my name. Former West Coast organizer.
So from where?
Ablukma West. Here.
From here we are going to.
Yeah, we are going to be how much is the electoral commission.
Yes.
For giving me this opportunity. Today's demonstration is about the electoral commission and the electoral commissioner herself. We are coming out to demonstrate, to protest, and to tell the whole nation that all is not well, more especially with the Electoral Commission. We want there to be fair. In as much as we are calling for peace, she must be transparent. The NDC has come up vividly to say there are irregularities on the voter register. And this woman is not trying to understand the NDC. As I'm speaking today, it's not even about NDC, it's about the whole country. We want transparency. We want free and fair election. That's why today we are on the street demonstrating. We want to put it before it. In as much as Ghana needs peace, in as much as Ghana we don't want violence, in as much as Ghana we don't want any chaos, Jane Mensa should be transparent and make sure the needful is done. If not, we as NDC and other political parties will not understand the Electoral Commission. That is why today we are on the streets demonstrating.
Your name and then?
My name is Chairman Olabode Williams, former constituency chairman, Ayawaso East.
Mandated from the regions, from the districts. We are going to present some, not all, and you know why some, to them. They have got them. They shouldn't respond to them. Accra will respond. We tell you that the Accra office of the EC is a crime scene. A lot has happened there. Remember, that is the place that BVR equipment were stolen under CCTV surveillance with military and police protection, with better detector also providing additional surveillance. They are telling them they should not respond. This tells you that they have all the answers at the headquarters. It is the reason we are saying that this march, this peaceful march is necessary. I have read two documents. The first one is Jumense's own call for an audit in 2015. What has changed? Look, what is an audit? If you have nothing to hide. A commission that has transparency as part of your motive. If you have nothing to hide, what is it? You have listened to people from civil society. Professor Keku Azan, Manasi Azuri Awuri, Franklin Kudu, Professor Kofi Abochi, several CSOs have also spoken that look, it is in your best interest to raise any doubt ahead of this election. The EC says we will not. Unfortunately, the EC has also not been truthful. And this untruthfulness is leading to one of the core demands that we make at IBAN. But that is separate from today. Today we are focusing on the core of the topic. Why do I say the EC has not been truthful? The EC has been lying around that we have not submitted our findings to them. But they don't tell people why we have not submitted the findings. At the meeting with the EC, which the EC blocked the media from happening, after we had requested that you join us in the meeting so everything will be transparent, there will be no asymmetry in information. The EC blocked them. At the meeting, 4 issues crystallized. The first was our demand for a forensic audit, independent, of the register and also the EC's IT system. Now the first. The second was they asking us to provide them with our findings. The third was we saying that you claim you have corrected the errors that you have put out. If so, our work is ongoing. Provide us with your updated version. We will also provide you with our findings so that in us continue our work, we will not even be identifying problems that we already solved. The fourth was, after all is done, re-exhibit the register so that the ordinary Ghanaian out there can go and confirm that his or her name is finally on the register. We did not even get home. And we know that the EC says forensic audit request. request for the updated version of the register. Don't forget that the EC denied us the register long ahead of the exhibition exercise. It was only less than 12 hours to the exhibition exercise and they handed it over to us. So when 4 issues crystallize and you kill 3, that is the forensic audit. Give us your updated version. Re-exhibition. You expect us to trust to hand over our findings to you. Our findings will be given to that independent body that will conduct the forensic audit. And so this demonstration is a peaceful one. And let me emphasize, this demonstration is a peaceful one to press on our demand for the forensic audit to be done.
What do you also make of